If you do not like chicken sandwiches, that means you probably haven't tried this one yet. Let me show you how I make this, and please make sure you stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. To my pot, I'm adding 1 chicken breast. If you have leftover chicken breast and you don't know what to do with it, try this recipe. To this, I'm adding 2 little pieces of ginger and 2 little bay leaves, and also 1 garlic. And I'm also going to add half teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Like that, we are going to cover and cook it on the stove top for about 15 minutes, okay? So it's boiling, it's doing good, it's not ready yet. I'll just showing you. So now that the chicken is on the stove, we're going to do some prep work, okay? So I have some bell peppers, I have red, green, and yellow. You do not have to use all the colors. I just decided to use 3 colors, so it's appealing and colorful to the kids. Even for the picky eater, he loves this. So I am sure everyone, not only the kids, everyone in your family is going to love this. So try it, please, and stay tuned to the end so you don't miss any vital information that I have to share, okay? And now the peppers are ready. I'm going to chop my onion. So you need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion. So that's what I'm doing right now. At this point, I'm saying hello to everyone. I'm saying a big thank you to all of you for subscribing, for coming back to my channel to watch my videos. I appreciate you so much. Now the chicken is done, and all we need to do to the chicken is to shred it. So just use 2 forks like you see me doing here and shred your chicken, okay? Oh, it's so juicy and tastes delicious. Now my onion is on fire. I used about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I just added a little bit of salt to it so it can wilt a lot quicker. And when you see your onions like this, a little bit caramelized, just go ahead and add your chopped vegetables, the peppers. And you're going to fry it for about 2 minutes. Just see how beautiful it looks. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing in here. Now I'm going to add the chicken back to the pot, the shredded chicken. And I'm adding a little pinch of paprika, smoked paprika. Tastes delicious with this. And also some dried parsley. You don't have to do this. This is extra. This is something extra that I love with my chicken sandwich. Now I'm going to have a taste. And now adjust my seasoning. I just added a pinch of salt to it. It tastes so good, guys. I hope you give this one a try. And don't forget to give your sister a thumbs up. Now chicken is ready. Now you wait for it to cool for about 90%, and then we are going to add some mayonnaise and ketchup to it. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and also 1 tablespoon of ketchup. If you're not sure, just use 2 tablespoons and then a little bit of ketchup. If you try and it's still not good for you, then you add more. As for me, this is okay for me. Now mix until everything is well combined. It tastes amazing. Try it. Now we are going back to the stove top. I have my frying pan on there. I'm adding a little bit of butter, just like so, and I'm going to add a slice of wheat bread. And by the way, this is homemade bread. So if you haven't watched the video of my wheat bread recipe, I'll just leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. Now add some of your chicken mixture on there. You can pack it anyhow you want. Make it big, make it small. This recipe makes for 4 people, okay? 4 servings. And I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the other side of the bread and then flip it. We are just toasting the bread a little bit, nothing fancy, okay? And for the kids, they do not like the outer part of the bread, so I just trimmed that part off and I'm making this one for the kids. It is that good, so I want you to try it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. Flip, and look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now they are ready. We are going to enjoy. Now just take a look at this. How beautiful, very colorful. The chicken is juicy, it's not dried. Everything is so nice. So please try it. Thank you so much for watching.